Head over to my channel to check out different bike model playlists with English, Spanish, French, and Chinese subtitles.
The Zontes 350 model range of motorbikes and scooters were designed, built and manufactured all in-house at the Zontes factory. The range was launched in 2023. The bikes are now available all around Europe and the UK at an affordable new price. And great used prices are now available. This video shows the range of bikes and scooters available. Zontes for 2024 have not stopped innovating, and a new range of 368 cubic centimeters bikes and scooters have been designed and will be available Europe-wide soon, as well as 700 cubic centimeters adventure bike and 700 cubic centimeters sports bike were also developed in 2024. In 2025, I expect to see the 500 cubic centimeters twin bikes and scooters to be available, as these models are in pre-production stages. So exciting times for buyers of the Zontes range. Zontes produce videos for owners to service their model range, unlike any other manufacturer, which you can find over 2,000 videos on my channel homepage, broken down into different model playlists in English, Spanish, French and Chinese subtitled videos. Please take a look. This is Mad Mix signing off.